dish soap. First, you get a spoon and dish soap in a bowl. It's a little cup and let's mix it. Oh my god, it's so gooey. So gooey. Soap. It tastes like a little bit slime, but it's not slime. It's so look. It's not a slime. And when you mix it a little bit because it's so little. She is challenging me. Oh my god. Did I expect that? Abo, you hi to my friends. Here's my friend. You not see? Here. You not see? Hi. It's not you. This one is here. Oh. Okay. Why? Okay, stop. Hi, my friend. This is my friend. Because we are twins. Why?
You should pick up my helmet and put them to the bag. Bring my phone.
Okay. Gagawa din siya ng videos. You announce them. Mamaya, minutes to and you make the video. You make the video with some Legos. How to make Legos.
Okay, I'm making how you do it. Tell me umbrella.
Kapag natin sa kulado, may kausap ako. Kasi meron ako sa nila. And we make this slime and some Lego. How to make Lego brain rock.
Lego is finished.
Where?
Finished.
Oh, wait. It's not this finished to my slime. It's mix. And it's mix, please. Done. And let's put this in the fridge for. Let's put this to the fridge in 20 minutes. Bye. See you to part 2 tomorrow.